everyone, how is it going? Olá pessoal, tudo bem? Eu venho aqui hoje para treinar uma pronúncia com você, a pronúncia de algumas palavrinhas que pra gente que é brasileiro tem um som muito parecido. So let's get started. We're just going to practice a few words in English that sound really strange for us Brazilians. They sound all very similar, okay? So can you pronounce these words? Cough. I have a cough today. I have a terrible cough. Rough. Oh my gosh, that was really rough. Tough. That is really tough. I've had such a tough day. That was such a tough decision. And through. Through. I am through with you. You have to think this through. You have to make sure you think this through. So it's cough, rough, tough, and through. Cough, rough, tough, and through. All right? Thank you. Take care.